Hi there, everyone. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Have you ever wondered how numbers actually get their meaning? Well, today, we're going to uncover that exact mystery. Let's jump right in. Think about this for a second. What makes a simple 5 so different from, say, a 500? I mean, they both use the exact same digit, right? But one means you have just a tiny little bit, and the other, well, that means you have a whole lot. So what's the big difference? The secret is something we call place value. Place value tells us the value of a digit based purely on its position in a number. Basically, the exact same number can mean completely different things just depending on where it's sitting. Think of it like this. Every single digit has a face value. That's simply who the digit is, like our friend the number 5. But place value, that's the digit's actual job. Depending on where it's standing in line, its job could be to mean 50 or even 500. Let's check out a quick example. In the number 352, the 3 has the job of hundreds, so it means 300. The 5 has the job of tens, making it 50. And that 2? It's just sitting in the ones place, so it means exactly 2. Take a second to let that sink in. See how that works? You know, we can actually build these numbers in real life too. We use base 10 blocks. We've got these big flat pieces to show the hundreds, long rods to show the tens, and these tiny little cubes for the ones. It's like playing with building blocks, but for math. And here's a super cool trick. Numbers can actually be broken down in a bunch of different ways. You can build the exact same number using totally different combinations of those blocks. They really are our magical mathematical building blocks. Let's practice reading a few. Look at the number 245. That's 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. When we stretch that number all the way out so we can see everyone's job, we call it expanded form. So 245 equals 200 plus 40 plus 5. Take a peek at how that stretches out. All right, let's try another one together. Our number this time is 683. That means we have 6 hundreds, 8 tens, and 3 ones. If we add those separate values all together, we get our total number. So in expanded form, 683 is 600 plus 80 plus 3. Pretty neat, right? Now let's go even bigger. Let's bring in the thousands place. Take the number 4,721. We've got 4 thousands, 7 hundreds, 2 tens, and 1 one. Stretch it out and the expanded form is 4,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 1. Just look at how big that gets. So you might be wondering, where do we actually use place value? Well, literally everywhere. We use it when we read large numbers, count our money, go shopping, measure distances, read the numbers on houses, and, of course, solve math problems. It totally helps us make sense of the world. We even use it for our money. Take a look at this price tag, $2.35. Do you see that little dot right there? That's called the decimal point. Its whole job is to separate our full whole dollars from the smaller parts of a dollar. You see, cents are really just hundredths of a dollar. Imagine one whole dollar is a completely full grid. A dime is 1/10 of that grid, and a little penny is just 1/100th. So they get their very own special place values right after that decimal point. Okay, let's lock in 3 super easy tips for place value. Number 1, always read your numbers from left to right. Number 2, the value of a digit completely depends on its place. And number 3, every single place is exactly 10 times greater than the place to its right. So, moving to the left makes things 10 times bigger. But wait a second, what happens if a spot in line is completely empty? Well, that introduces the absolute superpower of the number 0. Let's say we have the number 200. It has no tens and no ones, so we put a 0 in each of those spots so we can write 200. 0 is literally the ultimate placeholder. Let's quickly wrap up our main places with this table. Thousands mean 1,000, hundreds mean 100, tens mean 10, and ones mean 1. Keep those fresh in your mind, because guess what? It is time for some worksheet practice. All right, let's practice this together. Question 1. What is the value of the 5 in 458? Think about it for a second. Got it? It's 50 because that 5 is sitting right in the tens place. Question 2. What's the value of the 7 in 972? Take a guess. Yep, it's 70 because the 7 is also in the tens place. Question 3. What about the value of the 4 in 4,381? Any ideas? It's 4,000
because it's sitting all the way over in the thousands place. And question 4, what's the value of the 2 in 624? Give it a thought. It's 20 because that 2 is right there in the tens place.
You are doing absolutely amazing. Now let's move on to worksheet B, where we'll write the expanded form. Question 1. 356 equals what? Take a second. It's 300 plus 50 plus 6 to show our hundreds, tens, and ones. Question 2. 742 equals, what do you think? It's 700 plus 40 plus 2. Okay, question 3, a bigger one. 5,218 equals, take your time, it's 5,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 8. And question 4, 8,405 equals, any guesses? It's 8,000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 5. See how that 0 stepped in to hold the tens place?
All right, final worksheet practice. Let's fill in the blanks. Question 1. In 643, the digit 6 means what? It means 600 because it's 100. Question 2. In 2,315, the digit 3 means, think about it, 300. Question 3. In 489, the 9 is in the which place? The ones place. And question 4. In 7,120, the 1 is in the, drumroll please, hundreds place. Excellent job noticing how our superhero 0 held the ones place in that very last one. Fantastic work, everyone. Let's do a quick final recap. Place value tells us the value of a digit based purely on its position. The 4 basic places we learned today are ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And remember, we can write numbers in expanded form by stretching out those values. Overall, place value is the secret tool that helps us read, write, compare, and understand numbers with total confidence. I'll leave you with this one final thought. What do you think would happen to our everyday math, and even our money, if the number 0 had never been invented? It's pretty wild to think about. But hey, now you understand place value and you can read numbers with absolute confidence. Keep practicing, have fun with your math, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Enroll today for a free demo at www.vidvanalearning.com.